Namaskar friends, welcome back to Feasty Sisters. Brinji is a variety rice down south in India cooked with aromats, chosen veggies that are meant to give color and texture. I bring you a quick, dainty, Moorish and a tempting take on this rice today. Let's get cooking. Heat about 3 tablespoons of oil in a white kadai on medium to low flame. Add the aromats one by one. 2 numbers of 1-inch cinnamon sticks broken, 5 to 6 cloves, 3 bay leaves, 2 slit cardamom. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add in 25 to 30 garlic pods and saute until it turns nice and soft. Next goes in a tablespoon of fennel. Keep sauteing and you would see the garlic turning crisp and wrinkled. In goes the sliced ginger, slit, green chillies. Once you see the garlic changing its color, add in a handful of mint leaves. Saute for a few seconds. Add in 2 thin sliced onions. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes with a pinch of salt here. Dip in a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix and cook for 2 minutes. Drop in beans cut into 1-inch pieces. In goes 2 carrots sliced. Cook until the veggies are softened yet retained a crunch on them. Add in salt here. Add in the chopped mint and coriander leaves. Mix and drop in toasted bread. I had baked a fresh loaf of bread and toasted the slices with ghee. Chop them up into chunkies. Toss them all gently until the mixture looks nice and evenly coated. In goes our rice now. I have used 3 cups of water for the 1 3/4 cup of basmati rice that I had used. You could use your normal rice alternatively with reduced quantity of water and lesser cooking time. Toss the rice gently and the brinji is ready to be devoured. Serve it with raita or raw banana kurma, whose recipe link I shall leave in the description box below. Let us know how brinji delighted you. Please do remember to like, share and subscribe and click on the tiny bell to get notifications for our forthcoming recipes. A little word of mouth would go a long way in strengthening this channel. See you soon with another exciting, wholesome dish with a unique name and taste. Bye-bye.